Hey guys, today I'm going to start what is variable. Variable is a container used to store data values. In JavaScript, we can declare variables using var let const. Example 1 using let fruit assign apple console.log fruit. Output is apple. Variable name fruit is declared using let and assign the value apple. Print the value of fruit, which is apple. Fruit assign mango. Output the value of fruit variable is updated to mango. Now print mango. Example 2 using const. Const pi assign 3.14. This line declare a constant variable named pi and assign it the value 3.14. The const keyword is used when the value should not be changed later. Console.log pi. This print the value of pi to the console. Output will be index.js. Output will be 3.14. pi assign 3.14 15. This line try to change the value of constant variable, which is not allowed in JavaScript, so it will throw an error. You cannot reassign a new value to a variable declared with const. Example 3 using var language assign JavaScript console.log language. This line declare a variable named language using the var keyword and assign it the value JavaScript. This print the current value of language, which is JavaScript. Language assign Python. This line update the value of language variable to Python. Variable declared with var can be reassigned. This print the updated value of language, which is now Python. Node index.js output is JavaScript Python. Output JavaScript output Python. Data types with variables. Data types with variables. Let name assign 𝗃𝗃𝗦𝗃. 𝗃𝗃𝗦𝗃. String. Let age assign 24. Number. Let is developer true. Boolean. Let city undefined. Defined. Let skills assign JS React. Array. String, number, boolean, undefined, array. Variable keyword. Where function scope, let const block scope. Where reassignment hosting yes, let reassignment hosting no. Const reassignment no, hosting no. Thanks for watching this.